Hi, I'm Mark Danneberg, founder and CEO of Options Moneymaker. And this is the first in a series of sessions on how to simplify your trading for bigger profits. We're going to be talking about trading the indexes today. Now, one of the challenges that a lot of traders have is trying to find that ideal trade, trying to find that winning trade. Most traders swing for the fences. They're looking for that home run all the time, and that is not a successful way to trade. What you want to do is to trade something that you become intimately familiar with, that you recognize the patterns, you recognize the movements, you recognize the cycles, and it's easier for you to get into those trades at the right opportune time, and you know when to get out of those trades. It's about having kind of a sixth sense about what you're trading. So what we do at Options Moneymaker is we trade the indexes. We like to trade the NASDAQ 100, the S&P 500, and the Russell 2000 index. We're not constantly scouring the entire universe of optionable stocks for new positions. First of all, I don't want to be trading options against a stock or ETF that I'm not that familiar with. I want to know what the patterns are like on whatever I'm trading. I want to be able to clearly, easily recognize those patterns, and I want to almost have a sixth sense for when it is time to get into a trade and when it's time to get out of a trade. This is one of the ways that you can very easily simplify your trading. It reduces a tremendous amount of time for instead of having to constantly scour the universe of optionable stocks for that right stock that's poised in the right place for you to enter into that position. The other thing is these three indexes are what are called European style expirations. So one of the things that will frustrate a trader frequently in options trading is being exercised or assigned when their position is in the money. In fact, that's one of the primary drivers of fear that is something that traders have to work against. So if your position is in the money, you run the risk of losing control over your position. And stocks and ETFs are typically American style expiration, and American style expiration, when it's in the money, can be exercised or assigned at any time. European style expiration, which these three indexes are, can only be exercised or assigned at expiration. So if we are in a position, in a spread position, and we find our position in the money, which is not what we want, we can afford the time to evaluate the chart, evaluate the cycle, and evaluate what action we want to take without losing control over our position. So this is all about simplifying your trading. So stay tuned for the next episode in our series.